This is a 2013 Ford Mustang. This car has a manual transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Levittown Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown.